In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Authentication failed. We'll walk through clear, practical steps to get you signed in and playing again, and I'll explain why each step helps so you know what's happening behind the scenes. First, fully close Steam. Open Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape, or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Go to the Details tab, find steam.exe, right-click it, and choose End Task. If you see multiple Steam processes, end them all. This forces Steam to shut down completely, which can clear a stuck authentication request or a cache issue that's blocking sign-in. Reopen Steam and check if the error is gone. If the problem persists, verify the integrity of the game files for any title that's throwing the error. In your Steam library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, and open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your files with the latest versions and re-download anything missing or corrupted. This can resolve authentication problems triggered by mismatched binaries or damaged data. Let the verification finish before trying again. Next, restart your computer. A full reboot clears temporary files, resets network adapters, and ends background processes that may interfere with Steam's connection. After the restart, launch Steam and test your game. If one specific game keeps failing, uninstall and reinstall that game. You can do this from Apps features in your system settings or directly in Steam. After uninstalling, restart your PC, then reinstall the game. A clean install replaces broken files and can resolve install-level conflicts. If nothing has worked so far, consider reinstalling the Steam client itself. Before you do, back up your game data if needed. For example, copy your Steam library folder so you don't have to re-download everything later. Uninstall Steam completely, then download the latest installer from the official website and reinstall. Open Steam and sign into your account again. This refreshes client components that might be causing authentication errors. If your error is tied to account linking with another service, for example, a game that connects to an external account, log into that service in a web browser and check the link status. If it's already linked to a different Steam account, unlink it first, then try linking again from the correct account. Finally, if none of these steps resolves the issue, reach out to Steam support or the game support team. Share the exact error message and what you've tried so far to speed up troubleshooting. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back in your games without the authentication error.